In this video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoom on Acuity Scheduling. So I have in here my own Acuity Scheduling. You just need to head over to their website, which is acuityscheduling.com. In here, you have two options. You can either sign up or log in. You can click on this Get Started right here in order to sign up if you already or if you don't have an account yet. But if you already have an account, you can click onto this login option. So since I already have an account, let me click onto this login. Now this is what it looks like. So since you want to integrate Zoom on Acuity Scheduling, what we can do is we can head over right here to the integrations option that we can see right here into our actual left sidebar. Now once you have clicked on it, you can see this. So we have in here featured integrations, email marketing, client management, CRM, and lead likes. But for this one, we need the video conferencing option. Head over and click on it, and you will be redirected to this one. We have Zoom, and we also have Google Hangouts, Join.me, GoToMeeting, and the likes. In my case, let's input and set up Zoom. Click on the setup button we have right here, and this will open this. Click on the disconnect to Zoom option that we have right here, and after this, this will allow access to your Zoom account. So this will open in here this actual part wherein you can sign into your Zoom. Just input right here your Zoom credentials, or you can also sign in using SSO, Apple, Google, Facebook, as well as Microsoft. Input right here your credentials, click on sign in, and then after that, it should be able to load right here. And from in there, you should be able to connect your Zoom into your actual Acuity. So that's how you integrate Zoom on Acuity scheduling. Hope we help.